Introducing the Chrysler Halcyon Concept, a futuristic vision of what the next generation of American luxury sedans could look like. From the front, the Halcyon greets you with a bold, illuminated Chrysler wing logo and razor-sharp LED headlights that stretch across its aerodynamic face. Every curve is sculpted for elegance and efficiency, giving it a presence that feels both powerful and refined. As you move to the rear, the car reveals its full-width light bar, seamlessly integrated tail design, and futuristic diffuser, a clear statement that Chrysler is stepping boldly into the electric future. Step inside, and the Halcyon feels like stepping into tomorrow. The cabin is designed with simplicity and space in mind, featuring a panoramic glass roof that floods the interior with light, ambient accents that adjust to your mood, and a futuristic yoke-style steering wheel paired with a wide, digital display. For passengers, comfort takes the spotlight with generous legroom and modern luxury touches throughout. And while Chrysler hasn't revealed full specs, the Halcyon represents their ambition to merge sustainability, performance, and premium design in one striking electric sedan. This is not just a car, it's Chrysler reimagined for the future.